Hi, today I'll show you how to drive a mild hybrid in the 2026 Suzuki Swift. Let's start with the basics. The Suzuki Swift Hybrid does not have a plug-in system. Essentially, what this means for you is that the only way to charge the battery is through the vehicle's built-in regenerative braking system. You can easily check the current battery level at any time by going into the main menu and then selecting the energy flow option. In this specific view, you will be able to monitor the battery level and the real-time energy flow throughout the system. This means you can check whether the car is currently running on the electric battery or the combustion engine. If we've covered the basics, let's move on to practice. First of all, when using the gearbox, it's an automatic CVT transmission. Let's select Drive. Next, of course, let's fasten our seatbelts. That's the basic rule of safety. And let's start driving. One of the most essential techniques to master when driving a mild hybrid car is the effective use of engine braking. When the vehicle is slowing down using the engine's resistance, it is then able to efficiently recover kinetic energy to recharge the onboard battery system. To brake with the engine, simply release the accelerator. And if you find yourself wanting to significantly increase the engine braking power, simply shift the gearbox over to the M position. It is important to remember that this specific car does not have a separate large battery dedicated solely to driving the wheels on its own. Instead, the integrated electric motor only assists the internal combustion engine, which allows you to achieve much lower fuel consumption throughout the entirety of your journey. Ultimately, the Suzuki Swift Mild Hybrid is a versatile car that has been designed mainly for efficient city driving and daily commuting. This setup ensures a smooth and responsive experience every time you get behind the wheel. Its performance is not high on the highway, and fuel consumption can also be higher. While driving in the city, the 2026 Suzuki Mild Hybrid can achieve fuel consumption of around 5 liters per 100 kilometers. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe and comment.